Do you want to earn money while traveling, having fun, exploring, hanging out with your friends, spending more time with your family, and so on? In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process for implementing this brand new strategy. You can make money online simply by collecting emails, and you can do so on total autopilot, so watch this video until the end to start making money. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Alright, so let's start with a step-by-step tutorial so I can show you exactly how to do this for yourself. For step 1, you'll first need to go over to this website right in front of your screens, but don't worry, I'm gonna share the link with you in a bit as I explain how amazing this platform is. So, this website is a Cpa Marketplace where you can promote thousands of various CPA offerings in any field. A CPA stands for cost per action, which means you may direct people to offers where they don't have to buy anything, don't have to spend any money, and in most cases, all they have to do is submit their email address and you'll get paid. So for step 1, go to affplus.com, type in AFF Plus in the search bar, and start looking for offers to promote. On the right hand side, you can see how much money each of those offers will pay you. You can expect to be paid anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars for each email that you send. In fact, some of these offers can pay you hundreds of dollars, but that's not what we'll be looking at. Instead, I want you to look at offers that pay you anywhere from 50 cents to $5 or $10, since this allows you to easily obtain a lot more sign-ups and make a lot more money. After you've figured out how AFF Plus works, proceed to step 2 before picking which offer to promote. The following step is to go to Google and look for free PLR ebooks. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which implies that all of these platforms will provide you with PLR ebooks that you may resell, edit, or even give away for free to others. As a result, you can use sites like freeplrdownloads.com or other websites for free. Let's say I'm going to use freeplrdownloads.com as an example. All of these different ebooks are available to us for free, not to mention that we can give them away for free to others and make changes to them. And I'm going to show you exactly how that will help you make money on autopilot with a platform that we've never discussed. I'll appeal to you because it's brand new, interesting, and capable of assisting you in making money on autopilot. You can see all of these different categories on the left-hand side for each ebook that you want to give away to people. So you've got anything from addiction, education, entrepreneur, finance, fitness, health, hobbies, real estate, self-help, and much more. So all you have to do now is determine which topic you want to focus on, because it can be applied to any specialty. However, for the purposes of this tutorial, I'll be concentrating on health and fitness requirements, so therefore let's head to fitness right here. Now I'll have a range of fitness ebooks that I can distribute for free through other people, and each of these ebooks comes with a full PLR license that I'll have for the rest of my life, so I can browse through all of them and see which one I like the most. Choose the one you believe is best and then save it to your computer. So let's say I want to download this weight loss ebook. All I have to do now is open it so I can read the description of this ebook if I like it, and then I can simply scroll down to see the download button right here. If you don't like this ebook, try another one. So if I want to apply this one successful weight loss approach, this might be a better ebook for me. I'll open it and do the same thing. I'll read the description, but if it seems intriguing, I'll scroll down, ignore the advertising, and only hit the download button right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, With that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Let's move on to step 3. Now that you've downloaded the ebook on your computer, return to affplus.com and hunt for a similar offer to your ebook. So I go into the search bar and seek for some weight loss offerings that I could advertise. Keep in mind that all I have to do is link people to an offer that requires them to answer with their email address, and then I'll be reimbursed. For example, this one will pay me $140 per sign up, and so on. So if I want to take advantage of this $144 offer, all I have to do now is open it and click on the offer. If I like it, all I have to do now is join up for their Cpa Marketplace and get my referral link. Let's move on to the 4th step, which is the offer that I'm personally promoting. As you can see, people must enter their first and last name, as well as some personal information and their email address, and I'll be paid if they click on this button right here. They only need to qualify, and I'll be compensated for each CPA, which is nice. So now the question is, how are you gonna get people to come to your website? So to begin, go to ilovepdf.com and select the PDF file option to open the ebook you previously downloaded to your computer. Once you've opened the PDF file of the ebook you previously downloaded, you'll be able to make changes to it while sharing some of the video's insights using this completely free platform. So not many people are aware of this tool, or that it is free, or how to use it. So the simple idea is to paste text between these lines with your call to action, such as your CPA referral link. So what's the best way to go about doing that? Now, if you click on the add text icon right here, you'll be able to start inserting text between these lines. So perhaps I can input my referral link right here, and if someone clicks on this CPA link, all they have to do is enter their email address and I get paid. As a result, every email I collect earns me money. Of course, you can change the font, size, and colors to make it more visually appealing. I'm gonna make these fonts bigger, then of course I'll make it as bold as possible and make something look a lot better. I just did this really quickly to show you how this works so that whenever someone starts reading this ebook about successfully losing weight, they'll see your call to action. In that situation, you're supporting them, but you're also earning money for each email you gather on the back end. To increase your chances of receiving or collecting more emails, simply copy this call to action with our CPA link and paste it in multiple places throughout this ebook. If you have it on the first page, second, third, and fifth pages, chances are you'll collect a lot more emails because they'll see your call to action if they pass it on, so the more you add, the better your chances of making more money will be. When you're finished, simply click PDF right here and you can now download it to your computer. This is the edited version of the ebook. Simply download this to your computer and it'll be available in a few seconds. When you open the edited file, you'll notice that we've included our call to action right here. As a result, people can access our website by clicking on our link. And finally, you'll need to start giving away that edited book for free. When people open the ebook and start reading something that they're already interested in, they'll notice your call to action and be much more likely to enter their email address. Now, I want you to go to Facebook for traffic because this website is visited by billions of people every month. So go to the search bar and start looking for Facebook groups in your niche, such as how to lose weight in this case, which is fitness. So I'd like to look for ways to lose weight, and then I'd sort this search by group, which would give me all of these different Facebook groups with thousands of members that I could include in my ebook. I can give them my free ebook in exchange for them viewing my call to action and providing their email address, and I can earn a lot of money for each email I receive. So all we have to do is join these various Facebook groups, and you might be able to share something similar to this. This is how I would do it. And because this group is about losing weight quickly, there are a lot of people that want to lose weight quickly. As a result, you're getting engagement, which attracts a lot more people on the back end. You can get at least 100 people to download your ebook from a single post or Facebook group, which is a total of 100 emails, so you can just keep doing the same thing in all of these different Facebook groups. That being said, of course, Facebook is just one of the social media platforms that can be used to drive traffic. You can also use Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, and other social media platforms. There will be a lot of people interested in getting free ebooks, and each free ebook that you give away has the potential to provide you with hundreds, if not thousands, of free emails. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.